Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Let's hear a story of an ant and a dove who lived in the jungle. One day, the dove was sitting on an apple tree. He saw a little ant trying to drink some water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. "Help! Help!" cried the ant. But no one could hear his cries. The dove was sitting on the tree and he saw that the little ant is in trouble. He said, "Wait, little ant, I will do something to save you." There was an alligator in the water who saw all this and he wanted to grab the ant and gulp it. Dove quickly plucked off a leaf from the apple tree and dropped it into the water. "Here, little ant, climb this leaf and come towards the bank of the river," said the dove. The ant saw the leaf and climbed it. "Thank you, dove, you saved my life," said the ant. Both ant and dove became friends. Few days later, ant saw two hunters. One was carrying an axe and the other one was holding bow and arrow. One of the hunters said, "Hey, can you see that dove sitting on that apple tree? Let us hide behind the bushes and aim at him." Ant realized that his friend dove is in danger. "Oh my God, these hunters are going to hurt my friend. And if he falls into the water, the alligator will eat him. Quick, I have to think of something to save Dove's life." The ant went near the hunter and bit his leg. The hunter cried with pain, "Ouch, ouch, ouch!" His arrow missed the dove, and this time ant saved the dove. Dove said, "Thank you, my dear, for saving my life. You're indeed a true friend." Ant said, "You're most welcome, dear. Let us inform other animals about hunters. The hunters might try to harm them also." Dove said, "Yes, of course. Let's go fast." So, friends, let's recall some words from the story. Apple, ant, alligator, axe, arrow, aeroplane, animals, astronaut, anchor, avocado, ambulance. All these words begin with a similar sound, and the letter is letter A. Let's hear a song. Apples, apples on the tree. Pick one, pick two, 1, 2, 3. Aeroplanes, aeroplanes in the sky. They fly so high, they fly so high. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. Mr. Alligator hiding in the river. Call the ambulance, I'm having fever. Hunter has an arrow sharp and big. Let's aim the arrow at the stick. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la.